Georgia homeowners, this is one of the most important estate planning updates you probably haven't heard about yet. Georgia just passed an update to its transfer on death deed law, also known as TODD. And this is a big deal for how real estate gets passed down. So what is it? A transfer on death deed allows you to name who inherits your property when you pass without going through probate. And with House Bill 413, Georgia just made this tool a lot more usable and reliable. Here's what changed. First, it clarifies exactly when ownership transfers, removing a lot of the gray area that used to cause confusion. Second, it fixes a major issue where non-family members had trouble getting death certificates. This was a real bottleneck before. Third, you can now name alternate beneficiaries, which adds a layer of protection if your primary choice can't receive the property. And finally, it improves title insurability, which means fewer issues when that property is eventually sold. But let's be clear, this is a tool, not a one-size-fits-all solution. A TODD can be powerful, but it has to be set up correctly, and it needs to align with your overall estate plan. If it's done wrong, you could still create complications for your heirs. If you own property in Georgia, this is worth a conversation, especially if your goal is to simply simplify things for your family. Talk to a real estate attorney, talk to your advisor, and make sure your plan actually works the way you think it does. If you want help understanding how this impacts your property specifically, send me a message and I'll point you in the right direction. I'm Allie Harris, Luxury Real Estate Advisor. Have a great day.